Three environmental elements affecting your semen. When you are in an environment, there are some things that may destroy the production of semen in your body system as a man. So you need to avoid all these environmental elements which may affect your semen production. So make sure that you watch this video to know the three environmental elements affecting your semen. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So, what are the three environmental elements affecting your semen? Every man needs to avoid these environmental elements which hurts or destroys the production of semen in them. The three elements are: number one is industrial chemical. What is industrial chemical? Industrial chemical are those chemicals which are very harmful to human life. It can be acid, it can be base, or it can be any kind of chemical which is not good when you inhale it or when you get in contact with it. So inhaling industrial chemical or getting in touch with industrial chemical can definitely destroy the production of semen in every man. The more you inhale, the more it disorganizes your body system, and the more it makes your immune system not to be able to produce semen. Because when your immune system is in order, that is when you will have a good semen. But when industrial chemical affects your immune system, it can also affect the production of semen in you. Number two is overheat. That is overheating. There are some men, maybe if you are working in a very big company that gets you, or a job that gets you exposed to heat, it can affect the production of semen. Overheat is when you experience too much heat on your body system. But once you experience this, all you need to do is to avoid overheat. So it will affect the production of semen in men. Number three and the last is radiation. What is a radiation? A radiation is like a radiative energy, or a radiation is the transfer of energy maybe from one point to another. It can be a form of energy like X-ray or ultraviolet ray. So all these rays are not good for human health, and if you experience any of this radiation, it can also affect your semen. So if you are likely to be exposed where there is radiative elements, avoid that environment, because radiative elements can affect your semen. Another one which is bonus can be X-ray. For people that are working in big companies, in big hospitals, where X-rays are being used for diagnosis or any other health treatment, X-ray or getting exposed to X-ray can still affect the production of your semen. But what is X-ray? Like I can say that X-ray is a fast moving electron that hits a metal target. If a fast moving electron hits your body system, it can also affect your semen. So avoid all this in order to have a good semen. That is what I want to share in today's video, and that is what I want to get to people to know: the environmental elements which can affect your semen. So I hope you get value from watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, support this channel by hitting the like button Subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.